Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm coming at you guys with a review on a new member of the lifestyle family. This is my new bike. It's the DK General Lee. I'm going to be going from this bike part for part. This is a temporary build. This is going to get built up and stuff. This is just what I'm running right now. So we'll start with the grips. These are DK grips. They're the General Lee grips. Pretty worn with a Mafia Bikes bar end. And no bar end on this side. Gonna get new grips bar ends and new bars. For now I am running the Madmain in orange. High tensile steel bars. 9 rise, 29 wide. The stem is off of the Madmain. This is the Eastern Throttle stem with a gold DK General Lee top cap and gold integrated headset. Pretty nice. The frame, this is one of the nicest frames in my opinion. This is the DK General Lee frame. Long back end, pretty high off the ground, pretty nice street frame. For the forks, we have DK high tensile steel forks. Front hub we have here. This is a semi-sealed DK front wheel with 20.2125 DK tires. Jet BMX chromo pegs front and back. These are also off of the Madmain. Pedals, just have these plastic pedals. Going to be getting the Mongoose metal ones that I usually ride on every bike. These are 4130 chromoly cranks with a 39 tooth sprocket, a KMC chain linked with a rear cassette. Pretty nice sounding cassette. In my opinion, sounds better than the Madmain at low speeds. High speeds, I'd give it to the Madmain. DK rear hub, semi-sealed. And that's basically it. You got the same tire on the back. Probably going to be changing these here soon. You have a unsealed bottom bracket, which I'm going to be replacing with a sealed. It's a full brakeless BMX, no brakes whatsoever, street. You got a Mongoose seat with just rails, works, going to keep that with a license plate there, hold on by zip ties, heel ties. And you have a gold DK General Lee non-integrated seat clamp, stay regular seat clamp. In my opinion, I really love this bike. It's definitely worth it. I'm going to be doing videos on this like I did with the Madmain. So you want to buy a DK General Lee, things about owning the DK General Lee, and a couple other videos like that, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a hub check here. So, yeah. Not too loud, pretty quiet. It's quieter than the Madmain, but definitely a nice sound to it at low speeds. We're just cranking back. Has a nice low sound. It's very nice. That's gonna do it, guys, for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this bike. I love it. I took it to the skate park. I grinded a couple rails. This thing rips, dude. I did a lot of long fakies on it. This bike is an absolute gem. So I'm going to be doing a video on how the best way to get you guys one of these bikes. Because they don't sell them anymore. They sold them at Walmart a couple years back when Walmart actually sold good bikes. But this is going to be it, guys, for this video. I'll be coming at you guys with that video. And a rundown of all the parts I'm going to be getting for this. Peace.